You ever notice how sometimes in the summertime it feels like there's less voiceover work coming in and you start to wonder if there's something wrong with your business? By the end of this video, you're going to understand what the summer slump is, why it happens, and what you can be doing differently during the summer slump to make it feel like not so much of a slump. The real problem isn't the slump itself, it's how unprepared most voice actors are when that slump actually hits. So every year, pretty predictively, a summer slump does hit in voiceover. And usually that's, May to maybe August, and it can be up and down. So if you're in a slow season like the one that's coming up, don't just wait it out. There's several things you can be doing proactively to get you through the summer slump so that it doesn't feel like such a slump. Try to shift your focus to things that will create more opportunities, things like more marketing, email outreach and follow-ups, maybe some skills development, maybe get with your coach and try to, tighten the screws a little bit on some of your skills, do more auditions, reads, performance work, that kind of thing. You can also do some kind of business cleanup work, check your website, make sure everything is accurate and up to date. Check to make sure your rates are up to date. Get organized. These are all things you can do to help you through that summer slump. But if you just kind of freeze and just think, well, I hope things get better, then you're just kind of rolling the dice on the future. Make your own future by being proactive. Hey, my name's Mike Hathcote. I'm a full-time voice actor, and I run the Voiceover Blueprint training program and YouTube channel here, where our goal is to give you free, actionable insights to help grow and sustain a profitable voiceover business. And if you're new to voiceover or you still want to learn more about how to be a voice actor, I host a weekly webinar every Tuesday night at 6 p.m. Pacific time, where we cover the steps to become a voice actor. You can ask questions live on the call, and we also talk about some mistakes that could possibly throw you off. So if you want to check this out, absolutely free. Down in the description and pinned comment, you can sign up. And as a bonus, I'm going to throw in a copy of my book, The Voiceover Blueprint. You're going to get the downloadable PDF and the audiobook, plus 4 free additional gifts just for showing up for the webinar. So once again, down below, click that link, and I'll see you there. All right, the summer slump isn't just something that happens randomly. It's predictable. And there are several reasons why the summer slump happens. Number one is pretty simple. Just like you, hopefully, clients go on vacation too. A lot of marketing teams and content creators either completely shut down during the summer or they just run on a skeleton crew, meaning that there are less projects being, pumped out. The next reason why the summer slump could happen is there are budgeting timelines that a lot of companies go through, and some of them are fiscal. So there are times that, their budgets don't kick in till maybe after, the holidays or maybe after summer or whatever. You could be falling on that kind of fiscal cycle where they're waiting out to get their budget renewed. And then, of course, when they do, they can start doing projects again. Another reason that this could be happening is that a lot of decision makers and casting agents and that kind of thing, they extend their lead times because they know people are going to be traveling and, maybe on vacations in the summer. So a lot of these timelines get stretched out. So just because you're not getting immediate, feedback or immediate bookings on things doesn't mean it'll happen, or it doesn't mean it won't happen. It just means that there may be a little bit longer timeline to fill those positions. Here's one of the biggest mistakes that a lot of new voice actors make when it comes to the slowdown, thinking that it's your fault. And it's really not, or at least it's hopefully not. Most times it's not. And if you panic and you kind of stop marketing and kind of freeze like a deer in the headlights, you're going to make that slowdown worse. And that's the real trap. All right, now I want to show you what you can do so that you can actually benefit from the slowdown. All right, the summer slowdown isn't just a collapse of the industry all summer. It's just a redistribution of attention. So instead of the attention being on, go, get these projects out as quickly as possible, it slows down a little bit. And things like, corporate narration, commercial casting, even audiobooks typically just kind of slow down a little bit and just kind of retract some in the summertime. So the key shift is this. You're not in a no work season. You're in a less predictable work season. And that kind of changes how you should be operating. But the real advantage comes when you figure out what most voice actors completely ignore during this time. The first mistake is thinking that, well, nobody's hiring, so I'm just going to stop marketing and I'll wait it out. This is backwards. You want to be more visible in the summertime. Slower seasons are when the visibility really matters. And the fact that you've got more time on your hands means that you should be shifting gears into marketing mode. The second mistake is relying on too small of a pool of clients. If you've got maybe 10 to 20 pretty active clients and 5 to 10 of them slow down in the summertime, you're going to feel it immediately. But if you've got 200 clients and 5 or 10 of them slow down, you won't feel it as much. Now, I know that's easier said than done. Oh, I'll just get 200 clients. Well, that's where you have to lay the groundwork in these slow times. You have to start doing your marketing and laying that groundwork and building up your pipeline so that maybe this time next year when you're in the summer slump again, hopefully it's not as big of a slump. Okay, once you understand this next part, it is going to completely erase the negative perception that the summer slump has. Treat the summer slump as pipeline building season. So your goal should be more contacts, more visibility, more follow-ups with people, laying that groundwork, as I said before, in that pipeline so that you constantly have new opportunities revealing themselves. What you do during this season when you're focusing on your marketing is you're staying on people's radar. You're staying top of mind so that if the opportunity does arise, you are the one that they will hopefully go to first. So those follow-ups kind of become your superpower. A lot of new voice actors don't really realize the importance of doing follow-ups, even with people that you have not booked yet, but have maybe, replied to an original email that you sent and you just haven't booked yet. It's always a good idea to just follow up with them from time to time to make sure that you are staying on their radar. So here's the real takeaway. The summer slump isn't something that you just survive. It's something that you should prepare for and leverage. And if you do that, what ends up happening is you stop reacting and start building momentum that will last year-round. And the marketing aspect is something I go into much deeper on that Tuesday night webinar at 6 p.m. Pacific time. So if you haven't signed up yet, it's completely free. You'll get a copy of my book, The Voiceover Blueprint. We're going to talk about a little bit more of the marketing side and what you should be doing in the summer slump to make sure that you are maximizing your opportunities. So again, down in the description below, completely free. See you there. So don't panic when things slow down. Pivot and adjust. Use the season instead of fighting it and dreading it. That's it for me. I appreciate you being here. If you like these videos on VoiceOver, then feel free to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And also leave a comment. I read and reply to all the comments. And if you want to find out how to maximize the opportunities that you do have and where to go find new opportunities during the summer slump, then check out this video I made right there.